was gonna get him. You heard me?
Alright, already.
I was trying to be professional and stuff. But when I get my confidence up, now I'll beat a bitch up, but I ain't gonna get up on stage. But I'll beat a bitch up.
Long story short, I fucked the shit out of that goddamn bitch. Bitch, I was looking like I was fucking the chicken dog. Woke me up and said, damn, that pussy was good. No. What? I don't even remember. But I liked it. I don't like it, but I like it. Hey, shout out to the old people in the crowd like for real, like my great grandma was Ratchet. She was. I'm fist the I came in here with my jacket. I'm gonna first address the place because this is my first time here, and my name is Ratchet Tracy. So I'm gonna let y'all know I'm drunk, bitch. I was talking about y'all establishment. That nigga said, "Oh, what's that you hiding in your ass?" Now I'm an 8th grade school teacher. Wow. Damn. See, that's why I quit my job. Thanks for the no clap. I need to get 2 of them. You know what I'm saying? I said, fuck that, y'all. When COVID hit, I realized I was on the front line. I said, hold on, wait a minute. I ain't signed up for that shit. So, the reason why I decided to be Ratchet, y'all, is because I realized it's some shit in me that just be coming out that I don't like necessarily taught it to do it. You know what I'm saying? Like certain shit, and I know it's Ratchet. Like for example, don't invite me to your kid's birthday party, cause I'm coming with booty shorts. I'm coming, bitch. I'm coming, bitch. I'm coming walking around the kids, bitch. I'm walking around the kids, bitch.
See, what we not gonna do is make me think skinny jeans and leather go together. Huh? Then Remo husky. I ain't never seen husky skinny jeans. Oh, these niggas ain't laughing because they got something on. Look at it. Yeah.
I realized I'm tired of men telling me they got good dick. I'm tired of that. Cause I finally messed around and got me some good dick. I'm talking about good dick. Good dick, y'all, for real, for real. I'm talking about dick so good, like, you wanna stalk him, like if he died, bitch, I would kill myself cause the nigga died with the good dick. I'm like, I'm on a nigga dick so good, other niggas want his dick.